In today's competitive business landscape, achieving operational excellence is essential. Lean production and continuous improvement are key to staying ahead. However, many businesses struggle to manage their continuous improvement and lean manufacturing processes using Excel sheets, which can make management and tracking difficult, ultimately reducing efficiency. But now, with our continuous improvement software, you can leave those struggles behind. We offer web and mobile-compatible solutions that enable you to manage your processes in collaboration with your teams anytime, anywhere. From our suggestion management system to action management, our comprehensive suite of modules covers all aspects of lean production and continuous improvement. Don't let inefficiencies hold your business back. Start to manage your business's continuous improvement and lean processes digitally and single platform.